PowerPoint is a powerful software that enables you to create engaging and impressive presentations. However, did you know that you can also earn a profit by selling your PowerPoint templates online? PowerPoint templates are a valuable resource for professionals and businesses looking to create effective presentations. If you have a talent for creating high-quality templates, you can sell them online. In this video, we'll explore some tips and different online marketplaces to help you get started selling your templates and start making money. Etsy is one of the most popular online marketplaces that sell a wide range of digital products, including PowerPoint templates. It's easy to set up your own store on Etsy and start selling your designs. You can create your own shop and set your own prices for your templates to customers looking for high-quality and customizable designs. This way, you can directly interact with your customers and ensure they have a good experience when purchasing your templates. You can set your own prices, create your own store, and sell your templates. Creative Market is another popular option for selling digital products, including PowerPoint templates. This marketplace is specifically focused on graphic design, so you may find that it attracts a more design-savvy audience. You can also create your own shop on Creative Market and set your own prices for your templates. With its large and active community of designers and customers, you'll have a greater chance of reaching a broader audience and generating more sales. Graphic River is a part of Envato Market, which is a marketplace for digital products, including PowerPoint templates. This marketplace is popular among creative professionals, as it offers a wide variety of design assets. You can upload your templates to Graphic River and set your own prices. By uploading your templates to Graphic River, you'll get exposure to a vast audience of potential buyers who are looking for professional and customizable templates. Slide Model is a website that specializes in high-quality PowerPoint templates. Unlike other marketplaces, you'll need to apply to become a contributor on Slide Model. If your application is accepted, you can sell your templates on the site and earn a commission on each sale. Presentation Pro is another website that specializes in selling PowerPoint templates. As a contributor, you can sell your templates on the site and earn a commission on each sale. Presentation Pro is a great option if you're looking for a site that already has an established audience for PowerPoint templates. It has a vast library of templates that cater to different industries and professions, making it an excellent platform for reaching a targeted audience. When creating PowerPoint templates to sell online, it's important to focus on quality. Your templates should be visually appealing, easy to use, and meet the needs of your target audience. Make sure your templates are well designed and have an intuitive layout that makes it easy for your customers to customize the templates. Additionally, you should make sure that your templates are compatible with the most common versions of PowerPoint. This will ensure that your templates can be used by a wide range of customers. As you create your templates, it's important to consider the needs of your target audience. Your templates should be tailored to a specific audience, such as business professionals or educators. This will help you to create templates that meet the needs of your customers and stand out in a crowded marketplace. With these tips and resources, you can start selling your PowerPoint templates online and earn a profit. Remember to focus on quality, tailor your templates to your target audience, and use the right marketplace for your product. When choosing a marketplace to sell your PowerPoint templates, consider factors such as the site's audience, commission fees, and the platform's policies and rules. It's also important to research the competition and make sure your templates stand out in the market. When it comes to designing your PowerPoint templates, there are a few key factors to consider. Firstly, think about your target audience and what they need from your templates. Are they business professionals looking for sleek, professional templates for their presentations? Or are they students or educators looking for templates that are more fun and engaging? Knowing your audience will help you create templates that are tailored to their needs and will sell well. It's also important to stay up to date with the latest design trends and best practices for PowerPoint. Look for inspiration from other designers and presentations, and consider incorporating popular design elements and color schemes into your templates. When designing your templates, keep in mind that they should be easy to use. Include clear instructions and guidelines, and make sure that the templates are compatible with the most common versions of PowerPoint. When it comes to pricing your templates, there are a few different strategies you can use. You can set a flat rate for each template, or offer them as part of a bundle or package. You can also consider offering discounts or sales during certain times of the year. It's important to track your sales and adjust your pricing and marketing strategies accordingly. Keep an eye on which templates are selling well, and consider creating more templates in that style or niche. Finally, make sure that you're promoting your templates effectively. Use social media, email marketing, and other digital channels to get the word out and drive traffic to your online store. Consider collaborating with other designers or influencers to reach a wider audience. With these tips and resources, you can start selling your PowerPoint templates online and earning a profit in no time. Remember to stay up to date with the latest design trends, listen to your customers, and keep refining your offerings to ensure your success. Good luck, and happy selling!